candlestick on the wrong road. Trying to fix these cracks, so close now I can't go back
home. See me running out that door cause I'm gone. Bitch, so long, I promise you that once I leave I can never run laps. I won't ever come back to my past, man, I can't, not a chance. Cause the pain was insane from the way I was trapped. 22 years had to live through the crap, but I made my escape and the anger amassed. Pay back to the world, now I'm the man. Bitch, I'm the motherfucking man. Fuck, goddamn, never had a plan. All I ever did was I just go ham, so I just throw hands. And fuck what you heard about my past, you could get hurt looking back. So I don't wanna hear a word about that. Blurted out from the little bird around, motherfucking word of mouth crap. Cause I started from the bottom, but I made it to the summit. Never panicking when I was in the gutter, cause I do it for my mother, making music for my brothers. So for every motherfucker who was telling me I'd never leave a legacy when I was down and losing my identity and pedigree, I thought I'd never be able to try to beat again. But then the heavenly amenity gave me the strength to better me. So presently I'm turning into someone you could never be. My life used to be a big struggle. How to live in pieces every day, trying to save few dollars just so I could have a budget for the studio. You could never knock my hustle. Watching my mama work 12-hour days stung me like touch 100 in peroxide. All the nights I suffered, I ain't going back home. Hell no, I'm running feet, don't fail me now, I'm coming.
Too far gone, I can't live like this. We got no heat, just a candlestick on the wrong road. Trying to fix these cracks, so close now I can't go back
home. What you know about being down on yourself? Always feeling homesick even when you're home and you never really figured that out. But maybe I've been thinking about the past. Hated being sick and always sitting in a house. Now I'm pretty healthy but I'm scared to live my life, cause I don't do so well inside a crowd. I'm fuck around, need no rules, I don't need no jewels, I don't need no sleep, I don't need no food. Try to tell the teachers I don't need no school. Now they look at me like be so cool, like a deja vu. When I see y'all fools, I don't need your help, it'll be no use. I got women in my room and they need my juice, so I fuck them till they drop like a DJ do. What the heck, baby? Just come and have sex, baby. I've been thinking a lot, I swear it ain't you. I'm driving myself crazy. Shit, I'm feeling depressed lately, but I know I'm blessed daily. And I should just focus on me and never let them faze me. Damn, but I do. So tell me who to blame when I feel it coming through. I got the fire in my veins, spit at every one of you until the fever setting in. I'm coronavirus too. Mix it with the ball up, go up, hold up. It's an epidemic, never let it get to you. When they know ya, I notice they hold us at a higher level than the fucking rest of you.
Too far gone, I can't live like this. We got no heat, just a candlestick on the wrong road. Trying to fix these cracks, so close now I can't go